It happens every single summer. You go to the beach, the park, or just your backyard. You lay down on a towel, close your eyes, and spend the next 2 hours doing absolutely nothing. You have not lifted any weights, you have not run a marathon, and you have not done any physical labor. Yet, when you finally pack up and go back inside the house, you feel completely drained. Your limbs feel heavy, your brain is foggy, and all you want to do is take a massive nap. Why does sitting perfectly still in the direct sunlight drain your energy faster than a heavy workout? Today, we are looking past the sunburns and examining the hidden biological engineering of the human body. We will reveal exactly why doing nothing in the sun is actually one of the most exhausting things you can do. To understand where your energy is going, you have to look at the human body as an advanced thermodynamic machine. Your internal organs and enzymes are engineered to operate at a very strict internal temperature of 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit or 37 degrees Celsius. When you lay in the direct sun, infrared radiation violently hits your skin. Your external temperature begins to spike rapidly. Your brain features a tiny region called the hypothalamus, which acts as the master thermostat for your body. The moment it detects this heat spike, it immediately triggers an emergency cooling protocol. The primary mechanism it uses is called vasodilation. Your brain sends signals to the millions of tiny blood vessels just beneath the surface of your skin. It commands them to widen and expand. By expanding these blood vessels, your body pushes warm blood away from your internal organs. The blood moves out toward the surface of your skin, where the heat can radiate off into the air. But there is a mechanical consequence to this. When all your surface blood vessels expand at the same time, your overall blood pressure drops. To keep your blood flowing properly, your heart has to start pumping much harder and faster. Your heart rate elevates, but your blood pressure remains low. This specific combination of low blood pressure and an overworked heart is the exact physical recipe for feeling incredibly heavy and deeply lethargic. But vasodilation is only the first step of the cooling system. As you continue to sit in the sun, your body activates millions of sweat glands. We tend to think of sweating as just losing water, but it is actually a complex chemical process. When you sweat, you're rapidly losing vital fluids, along with essential electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium. As you lose this fluid, the total volume of your blood actually begins to decrease. With less blood volume and widened blood vessels, your cardiovascular system struggles to deliver optimal amounts of oxygen to your brain and muscles. When the human brain detects a drop in oxygen and fluid levels, it does not send a panic signal. Instead, it sends a fatigue signal. Your brain intentionally makes you feel sleepy and unmotivated. This forces you to stop moving, lay down, and conserve whatever energy and water you have left. While your heart and blood are working overtime just to keep you cool, an entirely different invisible battle is happening on a microscopic level. The sun is not just sending heat, it is also bombarding you with ultraviolet radiation. When UV rays penetrate the top layer of your skin, they actually strike the nuclei of your skin cells and physically scramble your DNA. This is microscopic cellular damage. Even if you do not get a visible sunburn, your body instantly recognizes this UV exposure as biological trauma. To prevent this DNA damage from turning into skin cancer, your immune system launches a massive, instantaneous repair operation. White blood cells are dispatched to the surface of your skin to clean up damaged cells. At the same time, specialized cells called melanocytes are activated to produce melanin. Melanin is the dark pigment that creates a tan, which acts as a physical shield against further radiation. This entire microscopic repair process requires an absolutely massive amount of metabolic energy. Your body is literally burning through its stores of ATP, the chemical fuel of your cells, to repair millions of radiation strikes in real time. You might feel like you're just relaxing on a towel, but on a cellular level, your body is working incredibly hard. Finally, there is the simple mechanics of light in your eyes. When you are outside on a bright sunny day, the ambient light is incredibly intense. Even if you are wearing sunglasses, the tiny muscles around your eyes are constantly tensed, squinting to block out the glare. This continuous muscle tension causes ocular fatigue, a known trigger for headaches and tiredness. Simultaneously, the intense sunlight hitting your retinas actively suppresses the production of melatonin, the hormone that makes you sleep. Your brain is being chemically forced to stay awake while your body is being physically exhausted. This creates a rubber band effect. The moment you pack up your towel and step inside a cool, dimly lit house, the intense sensory input stops. The visual strain disappears, your core temperature drops, and the suppression of melatonin ends. The rubber band snaps back. The brain registers that the physical threat of the sun is over. The accumulated exhaustion of vasodilation, dehydration, and cellular repair hits you all at once. The human body is an incredible self-regulating machine. The next time you spend an afternoon doing nothing at the beach and wonder why you need a nap, remember the hidden engineering happening under your skin. You were not doing nothing. Your cardiovascular system was running an intense cooling cycle. Your immune system was repairing radiation damage. Your cells were burning energy to keep you safe. You earned that nap. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this fact-based explainer, hit the like button and subscribe for more answers to the simple things around us.